Good evening, sir. I'm Vaishnavi from 4C, and this is my project. This is my introduction page. These are my frames. Here I have sign up and login. In sign up, we need to fill our details here. And here we need to choose whether it is dog, kitten, or parrot. And here my details are displayed. And my details are registered in the table. Again, we need to log in to proceed. If the password is incorrect, we'll get a dialog box like this. And my dog frame is open. Here I have dog, kitten, and parrot. Three subdivisions. In that, in dog, I have four subdivisions: food, health, and apparels and nearby pet stations. If we select any one of that, if we select food, we'll get a frame of food. Here I have components like supplement, milk, and biscuits. In that we can choose any one. And in the same way, we'll have a kitten. Kitten. Here we can choose food, nearby pet stations, health, and or apparels. If I choose apparels for kitten, it is visible here, kennel and toys. We can choose any of that. And in the same way, I have for parrot here. For parrot, I have subdivisions like food, apparels, nearby pet stations, and health. If we choose apparels, clothes, cages, and toys. So, in my sign up program, here in each component, user will enter the details, and each detail given by the user will take it in a variable. For example, here we took variables as a, b, c, d, e and up to g, and here this is my data connectivity program. Here get text and get selected item are which the user will give some details to us, and here we'll get the details of the user. Here connection connection driver manager prepared statement and J option pane is a database connectivity, and here J option pane is used to show the dialog box. Mainly in sign up we have two components, enter password and re-enter the password. If the password is same, user enter details will be shown. If the password is incorrect, we'll have a dialog box showing that check your credentials. So, and here this extends is inheritance, and for login this is my login frame. In login I have two components, name and password. So here A and B are two variables which my component user entered the details are stored in these variables, and the details are the table of details is showed in this. These are the inbuilt functions in database connectivity. We are now we'll have the table for sign up. And these are the details which user have entered in sign up.